I'm Goose.
I am Logan.
And we're at Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant. So, Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant has been here since the 1940s, and they're most famous for chicken, fried chicken, all their different chicken dishes. And Logan and I we're getting we're getting what basically their signature item, which is their chicken dinner meal. It's about $24.50 a person a plate, but well worth it. And they're also really known here for their pies. So we're gonna have some dinner and we're gonna get some pie. So say that again. You were telling me.
Oh, that yeah. So we were just talking about like in our last thing, said it was open since the 40s. It's actually been open since 1934, so it's coming on 90 years.
90 years.
Yeah.
Wow. And what's really good about this restaurant is that it's outside the park. So you don't have to go into the park.
You don't have to go into the park to eat here. So you can probably just, so it's just like on any random day, you'd be like, hey, let's go eat at Mrs. Knott's and head on over there.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yep, that's a good thing. So Logan and I are starting off with the soup and the salad. They have creamy chicken noodle soup here. We've got a garden salad. I got blue cheese. You got ranch. We got some nice rolls here with jam and everything. This is a nice little starter. Let me just take a little bit of taste of the soup real quick. Nice and warm, very creamy, very good, very tasty. Yeah, this is a good start. We'll be back with you. This is really good. We're gonna be back with you in just a little bit. Okay, so we got this item on our plate. Couldn't figure out what it was, and then Logan over here asked the waitress, "What is it?" And he says,
Boysenberry butter.
Boysenberry butter. So he took one bite, and his eyes nearly popped out.
It's awesome.
And then, so I'm gonna give it a shot right here. So I'm gonna have Logan take the camera. Put this on here. This is how I want to try this. Oh my god.
Isn't it good?
It's really good. It's like they took jam or something and threw it in butter. Come on. So a Knott's Berry Farm, you're going to sell a lot of this, put it in the stores right away because people will buy it.
Yeah.
This is really good. So Logan over there is still working on the salad. How do you think of the salad? Oh, I got you with a mouthful, so I'll wait. Guys, thumbs up? Thumbs up. And by the way, that soup, that is some of the best soup. They were just telling Janice, who is our waitress, was just telling us that they take some of the fried chicken and they shred it up, put it in the soup. And it's very creamy, very light. It doesn't feel very heavy. It doesn't taste very heavy. Just very, very creamy. And the people like to, Logan's like giving us the big smile. And they like to take their bread, their rolls here, and dip it in the soup. And it tastes just really, really good. Now I want to show you, we just got our chicken. This is 4 pieces of Mrs. Knott's fried chicken. Mashed potatoes and gravy. We elected to get the cabbage rather than the corn. And this looks really good. I'm going to just turn the camera off and start digging in. So we'll see you in a little bit. I'm just going to say this again. I will walk through hot coals for a good piece of fried chicken. And this is it. So you can see here, I've already got 3 pieces of chicken and I've gotten through most of my potatoes. I've eaten all of my cabbage, which was absolutely fabulous. I mean, it was just nice and, what would you say? It's not, how do you describe cabbage? It's like tender or? I don't know. Yeah, it was just really, really good. it just kind of just slid down my throat. But this is, again, a great piece of chicken. I don't even know if we're even going to have room for our pie. We'll probably have to just take it with us to the room. But this is really good. And we're going to talk more about this when we close it out. But we're going to finish up this food. Well, we decided to make our way back to our room after eating at Mrs. Knott's chicken restaurant.
And if we went outside and it was crowded.
It was very busy, and we were just like, you know what? Let's just walk some of this off because we are full.
Yeah.
In fact, we're so full we don't even have room for the pie. So, unfortunately, we couldn't show you the pie, but the food was awesome. As always. I mean, you cannot get... And we had the best server. Janice, you see this. You were fantastic. You were great. We wish you could be our server at every restaurant we go to. She was fantastic. Talked with us about all kinds of stuff that was going on with Travel by Nature, and we really appreciate that. And she was telling us about how yesterday Knott's Berry Farm was busy, and today it was absolutely crazy there. But the food was awesome, and it's outside of the park, so you don't have to go into the park to eat there. And at $24.50 a pop, I mean, I know it sounds a little much, but it's worth it. Every ounce of it.
Best fried chicken you'll ever eat.
Yeah, I agree with that. And they've been doing it for decades. So, if you have a chance, go eat at Mrs. Knott's Chicken Dinner Restaurant. And as I like to say, Logan, if they want to catch us anywhere else, where would they go?
You can find us on SoundCloud, where you can listen to our two podcasts, Wrestling Boys and On With The Show, at Robert Goose Scott. There we talk about entertainment and pro wrestling. And we also have Twitters for that, where you can reach out and talk to us. Those are On With The Show 3 and Wrestling Boys 2, where you can tell us what you think, what you want us to talk about, what you want to watch, all that kind of stuff.
Yep. And if they want to know anything more about Travel by Nature, what would they do?
You can hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video.
Yeah, give us a big like because it makes us smile. Share the videos out. We really appreciate it when you do. And we're getting geared up for a very, very big November and December. End up 2021. And we're going to look forward to being able to take you more on our travels. With that, I am Goose.
I am Logan.
This is Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.